Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. It's Thanksgiving. I got my family in the background ready to get rowdy and make noise, and they're all waiting for a cocktail, so I'm about to make my Cidertini. What's a Cidertini? It's an Alley in the Valley martini. It's apple cider, vanilla vodka, or caramel vodka, wherever you, I couldn't find caramel, so I'm using vanilla, and maple syrup with a little bit of cinnamon in it and an apple. And it's really simple, easy, perfect for a Thanksgiving cocktail. So it's a really simple cocktail. It's vanilla vodka. So if I was making one, I would do 1 ounce of vodka. Then I do 1 ounce of apple cider. I gotta put some muscle in opening this. Okay. And then 3/4 maple bee syrup. Okay. And that makes 1 cocktail. All right, let me shake it up because I'm gonna serve my cocktail first for me because these babies are wearing me out over here. You know what I'm saying? Shake it up. All right, I gotta do an apple slice. All right, garnish. All right, I'm gonna put a star, and what are these called? A star anise or anise, I forgot what they're called, but they're cute and they're very flavorful. Okay, and perfect size just for me. They're gonna have to wait till afterwards. And then you just kind of garnish with a cinnamon. And it kind of has that whole Thanksgiving, really flavorful, warm, savory cocktail. Let's taste it. I don't need the apple anymore, it can go in. Actually, this is the bomb. I'm serving this for Thanksgiving. Perfect, easy, 3 ingredients. I gotta make a big picture of it before people kill me in a minute. So I wanna say happy Thanksgiving. You know where to get the recipes at alleyinthevalley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Every week I have a new video, and this is Thanksgiving cider cocktail. We're ready to get our party on, and I hope you have a blessed Thanksgiving. And always know that we all have something to give thanks for. And no matter how hard your life is or what's going on, Thanksgiving is the time to settle down and give thanks and give blessings, because if you can get up and fight for the next day, then you have a lot to be thankful for. Thank you for following Alley in the Valley.
Yeah.
Allison Ball Kilmer here of Alley in the Valley. I hope you and your family have a fabulous Thanksgiving. I have a lot of different recipes that I hope you can enjoy. My rowdy crew, you know, they have no respect. They don't care it's Thanksgiving, they're just rowdy, but I just want to say we had to do this early, so my daughter and her friend Sharon look like clowns, and my son's on his way to Universal, and my husband's complaining the whole time, but guess what? It's Thanksgiving, I have my family, my friends, I got my godson, his wife, my best girlfriend Frances, Nicole, my cousin Miles, everyone here to say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
It's never, ever dull in the Kilmer household. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!